Today I'm going to walk you through the assembly of the M673 Kenko massage chair. When you receive your chair, bring it into the room that you plan to use it in. To start the assembly, unpack the chair from its boxes and verify that all components are included. The contents of the boxes include the massage chair body, the footrest, the power cord, remote pocket, spare fuses, spring clips, owner's manual, and warranty card. If you are missing any of these items, contact Kyota Massage Chairs at 800-242-0761 and we'll be happy to assist you. To begin the assembly, move the footrest towards the front of the chair, leaving space in between the two pieces. On the footrest, there is an electrical connector and an air hose. That corresponds to an electrical input and an air nozzle on the body of the chair. Connect the air hose firmly onto the nozzle and the electrical plug into the port. And when connecting the electrical plug, make sure the alignment nub snaps securely into place. With the connections in place, wrap the air hose and electrical wires with the provided fabric covering. Now, on the front of the chair, there are two body pins. And on the leg rest, there are two leg rest hangers. Now lift the leg rest up and slide it all the way down on one of the pins. This gives you enough space to then maneuver the other end of the leg rest, aligning the body pins with the leg rest hanger before resting the leg rest hanger on the pin. With the body pins and leg rest hangers resting together, secure the leg rest by inserting the included spring clips on the end of each of the body chair pins. Finish off the leg rest by zipping it together with the cover from the body of the massage chair. With the footrest securely attached, let's connect the remote. The plug for the remote is resting on the right side of the chair between the arm and the seat cushion. When I refer to the sides of the chair, I'm referencing them as if I was sitting in them. Pull out the plug connector and attach it to the remote, tightening the screw cap clockwise to secure it in place. Finally, connect the chair to power, using the power cord that is included in your box, and toggle the power switch to the on position so that the switch is glowing. With the chair powered on and all of the pieces connected, run an auto program, using this time to make sure that all of the pieces of the chair are working properly. Now that it is fully set up, you're ready to enjoy your M673 Kenko massage chair.